I'll never catch him while I'm this small. Why, curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
I can never get over that voice. Let's do it on my phone too. No, no. Okay, well, I guess we're gonna put up with this. Can you hear the audio?
No, I cannot. But that is okay.
Oh wait,
I will be immersionless.
Oh gosh,
Oh,
it's so
I hear it.
loud.
Oh, it's loud. It's a vibe though.
Is it still loud?
Kind of, but I'm vibing.
How about?
Okay, that's better. But yes. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is good.
Okay. I have. Wait, let me see what I got. Okay, I have 6 cookies, 3 treasures, and I have. Okay, wait, I have a daily gift. Okay, let's draw. I haven't drawn a treasure before. Okay.
Common. Let's go.
Okay, not bad.
We're going up. Okay.
Okay.
Not the best, but okay.
Okay, let's get some cookies. Okay.
Okay.
That was very underwhelming. Hey, why did it turn off?
Oh.
Oh well, I got angel cookie sauce done. Hold on.
Oh, okay.
This is the result.
Nice.
Oh, it's so
Oh,
loud.
it's loud again. Okay. Cool.
We're gonna get another soul stone. I just know it.
We're gonna get that common juice. Oh, yep. Oh, wait.
No, it's common. Oh wait. Oh wait, I already have one of those though. And I don't even have that cookie yet, so I can't even use it.
Bray.
Oh yeah, I love that.
Okay, that was loud for no reason.
I just destroyed you. I'm sorry. Well, it was really loud for me too. Every time I disconnect, like the audio resets itself.
Oh my goodness.
Finally, I got one. I have this cookie. I can actually use this. Okay, last one.
Can we get that spontaneous legendary, please? Legendary cookies only. Legendary cookies only.
A pancake cookie.
Oh.
Now we have our special cookie cutters to draw. Hopefully we get something good.
Immediately gets straight up character.
Anyways.
Sad. That didn't happen.
You know what? I have 14,000 diamonds. I'm just gonna draw 10 so you can see what it looks like.
10 poles.
I love the animation for 10 poles.
Yo.
Oh, what cookie? Ah, he's common. Okay, bro.
Oh my god, it's a Chad cookie.
무서워할 필요 없어. 해치지 않을 테니까.
Yes, I got a rare.
Cute.
Oh. Uh-oh.
pull on it. Well, I mean, you have 33 days, so I mean, I assume you won't get light of passion. You don't keep your light of passion once the event ends. I mean, it's event
What is
only
with
currency. Did
That's the
the
kawaii
witch just
face.
go moe on us? Oh my god. I've never been so confused. Wow. Oh, this animation's popping off.
And you give me that after all of this?
Okay. Well,
Okay,
well.
what is it?
Oh.
제 실력을
어.
보여드리죠.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
어떤 음악을 들려드릴까요?
Yo. Yo.
Dang.
Ayo.
Dang.
Worth it. Worth it. That was so worth it. Oh my god.
음악 소리가 멈추지 않도록.
His voice is so nice.
제가 자주 가는 가게에서
Yes.
택배를 들어야겠네요.
Yes, sir.
Oh, this is higher than legendary. It's an ancient cookie. Yeah, this is legendary, and then this is ancient. The rarest of them all. But yeah, she's so pretty. I want her. What else is nice? Raspberry cookie. I want raspberry cookie. Raspberry cookie is so pretty. Ooh, and lilac cookie.
Ooh, lilac cookie. Actually, I think I saw lilac cookie on like TikTok, and I was like, "Oh, that's a pretty design."
Oh, thick cookie. Yeah, they're all cute. That's why I play this game. Well, that's all that I had. We silent now. Oh wait, I gotta stop.
Yes.
I went shopping yesterday and I got a bunch of stuff. I've been spending a lot of money lately, so I always feel like super duper guilty whenever I spend money, and then I'm like consumed with so much like regret. But I bought all this stuff for like gifts. This is like a honeydew boba bar soap. I thought it was really cute, so that's gonna be for Christmas. And then these are all like small stuff for friends for Christmas as well. I mean, it was on sale, so that's not bad. And then this was free. I got it from Sephora for my birthday. I forgot to mention, I also got these other two things for gifts. Oh, maybe I did film this earlier, but they're jellycat. So the bunny is like super duper soft, and so is the fox. I really like them though. Like, I don't know why, but I love like jellycat plushies just because like they're so nice. So I might end up like keeping it instead of gifting it. I don't know. I think I could just keep one and then give one to my friend, but we'll see. My goodness, am I stupid? I was buying gifts and I forgot I have a literally like a gigantic box, like just stuff full of Bath and Body Works products. I'm sorry, my clothes is messy. But yeah, I have this box because I get them during this annual sale when they're super cheap, and it's just full of Bath and Body Works stuff. I guess I won't be needing to buy any more stuff. Everyone shows up to class early. I don't know.
I got a bunch of nerds this year. I don't have teachers. I'm just gonna wait longer just to spec them. And I have to wash this shirt. Here, Amazon.
So right now I'm gonna get started on my homework. It's Thursday. I've been working every single day this week except for Sunday and Tuesday, because Tuesdays and Thursdays is when I have my Chinese folklore class. So I take the entire day off so that I can do all my homework in the morning. And like yesterday I did a 12 or 11-hour shift, I think. So I was really tired. I didn't get anything done. So I'm gonna try to do my homework today. I have like a lot of reading and videos to watch for my political science classes. So I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I'm gonna get these readings done because right now it's like 1:30 30. It'll help me get some stuff done. At the end of every chapter, I have like 100-point quizzes. They're not multiple choice, they're like written responses. So that's why I actually have to read so that I know what to write in my written response. So I actually forgot that I have my manga class, which is I think Japanese like 380 something, 382. So I forgot I have work for that due on Friday, and on Friday I'm working until 5 and it's due at 5. So I have to do my reading. But I get to read Yotsuba and I just have to do a discussion post, so that's not too bad, you know. I get to go to a class where all I do is read manga and talk about manga.
패배한다면 스스로를 용서하지 않을 거야. 선홍빛 문장을 기억하게 해줄게.
I've got my cookies, my tea. Oh, it's just my cookies and my tea. Well, I got my cookies and my tea ready, and I'm just waiting to be let into class. He doesn't start it until like 1 minute after or 5, which is really weird, but yeah.
새로운 만남은 곧 새로운 기쁨. 함성을 질러라. 나 홀리베리 쿠키가 이곳에 왔다. Hey Colin, there's this really underground song. I don't think you've ever heard of it before. Dang it, it's an ad!
That's why I prefer to watch stuff on my phone. Oh, my laptop.
Oh wait, I can skip the ad, duh. Wait, do you find out who sings this?